Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are all doing well at your home. So students, today we are going to solve our activity number 7 and 8 of the lesson 1 value of money. So here is our activity 7. Change the following affirmative declarative sentences into interrogative sentences. So students, here are the sentences which we have to change into interrogative sentences. As we all know that affirmative sentences means declarative and also we call them assertive sentence, right? So the very first sentence which we have to change into interrogative sentence, that is he is clever, वह चालाक है. तो बेटा हम इसको चेंज करेंगे इंटेरोगेटिव में. When we change the affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence, then the helping verb will be placed in the front. ओके तो बेटा वो जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, जैसे इन द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज, तो इज जो है वो सब्जेक्ट के पहले आ जाएगा. हेयर सब्जेक्ट इज अ प्रोनाउन ही. सो वी विल चेंज द सेंटेंस एज इज ही क्लेवर एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस वी विल प्लेस क्वेश्चन मार्क, because without question mark we cannot say any sentence is an interrogative sentence, right? Now the second sentence is he was simple, वह बहुत सिंपल था. ठीक है, तो हम इसको चेंज करेंगे. सेम एज हेल्पिंग वर्ब was will place in the subject. So the sentence is was he simple and at the last question mark. Same as now the third sentence, Ram was feeling tired. So the interrogative sentence is was Ram feeling tired? Now the fourth sentence is Sita was angry. So the interrogative sentence will be was Sita angry? Now fifth, they were good friends. So the interrogative, were they good friends? And at the last question mark. Number 6, he painted the door blue. The interrogative sentence will be did he paint the door blue? Students, here we will use first form of verb and we use helping verb as did because the sentence is in past tense. Now the seventh sentence is he has 3 pencils. So the interrogative will be has he 3 pencils, and at the last we place same as a question mark. Now number 8, we had a good time there. So the interrogative, did we had a good time there? Now number 9 is I have to do it. So the interrogative will be do I have to do it? And at the last same we place the question mark. 10th sentence is Sohan had finished his work. So the interrogative will be had Sohan finished his work? Right? Now 11th sentence is I shall go there tomorrow. So the interrogative will be shall I go there tomorrow? Now 12th is he will play a match. So the interrogative will be will he play a match? Now the 13th sentence is I can do it. So the interrogative will be can I do it? Right? Now 14th is he may help you. So we can make the interrogative may he help you? Now the last sentence, number 15, the sun does not shine at night. So the interrogative will be does the sun not shine at night? And at the end we place question mark. Okay. So students, in this way we will complete our activity 7. Now activity 8 is convert the following interrogative sentence into assertive और declarative sentences. तो बेटा सेम एक्टिविटी है कि देखो पहले हमने चेंज किया assertive sentences को interrogative में. Now we will change the interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. Okay. So the very first sentence is are you on leave today? Students, in this sentence you can see helping verb are is before the subject because it is an interrogative sentence, and when we will change it into assertive sentence, then first of all we will write the subject. So here the subject is you, and after it we will use the helping verb are, and after it the predicate or the object. Okay. So assertive sentence will be you are on leave today, right? And at the end we omit the क्वेश्चन मार्क. अब हम यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं लगाएंगे. We simply place the full stop. Right? Now second sentence, was the train late? So the simple or declarative sentence will be the train was late. Now the third sentence, were the boys not lazy? So the declarative sentence will be the boys were not lazy. Fourth, assertive sentence will be I am strong. Fifth, as is your sister ill? So the assertive sentence will be your sister is ill. Right? Same as the sixth sentence, has it been raining since morning? So the assertive sentence will be it has been raining since morning. Seventh sentence is, have you fulfilled your promise? So an assertive sentence is you have fulfilled your promise. Now the next sentence is number 8. Has he taken the test? So the assertive sentence will be he has taken the test. Now number 9 is, had you seen this picture? So the assertive sentence, you had seen this picture. Right? Now number 10 is, did he come by train yesterday? So the assertive sentence is he came by train yesterday. बेटा अब देखो यहाँ पे ये interrogative sentence है but it is of past indefinite. And when we change it into assertive sentence, then we use only second form of verb. Right? Same as he came by train yesterday. Okay. Now the 11th sentence, can you travel 50 miles a day? So the sentence is you can travel 50 miles a day. Now the 12th sentence is, should I stick to my promise? So we can make the assertive sentence as I should stick to my promise. Right? Now number 13 is, does the watchman keep watch over the house? So students, here in this sentence, does is helping verb of present indefinite. And when we change it into assertive sentence, then we use the first form of verb and with it we use s. Okay. So the sentence is, the watchman keeps watch over the house. Now the 14th sentence is, it is the last sentence of the activity. Do you pray to God every day? So students, in the same way, do is the helping verb of present indefinite. So we use first form of verb but we do not use s or es with the first form of verb. So the sentence will be as assertive sentence, you pray to God every day. Okay. So students, I hope you will all understood about the activity 7 and 8. So watch the video again and solve the activities yourself. So students, it is all for today. Thank you.